So now open IntelliJ and show me what did you do in the assignment. We made a program in our last session, printing years using for loop, and using nested for loop, we put an inner for loop to print months, and then another two nested loops to print weeks and days. And we wanted to add some logic to print weeks and days only in a condition if the month is equal to 7. We will print the number of months normally from 1 to 12, but only will print weeks and days only if months equal 7. So the task itself is clear to you or not?
Somewhat.
Okay, have you tried to add any part of code to achieve this?
Yeah.
How you did
I
try?
worked on it. I
Like,
tried other scenarios and stuff. I tried other variations of it. The logic is kind of clear. It's clear, but it's let me get the logic. Hold on. It is.
I can't see. Anyway, okay. Let me tell you this.
Equal to 7. Oh yeah, when this is 7, right? This is going to be 7.
No, I'm not talking about year. I'm talking about months.
Oh yeah.
Yes, year will no. It was only 3, not 12. You put it back.
It's 3, right?
Yes. So here I'm talking about line number 5. Okay, about the months variable. Okay, we have initial value for months equal 1. Okay, and then every time we increment months by 1 until we reach 12. Okay, so we print months from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we reach 12. Okay. This line on line number 6, okay, will print value of months. Like this number is 4 months, and then print from 1 to 12. Okay. Our task to print from line number 8, or to make this part of code from line number 8 to line number 11 to get only executed if the value of months equal to 5. Like here, months will pass like by all values between 1 and 12, right? Months, the value of months. You hear me?
Yeah, value of months, okay.
Yeah, value of months will pass by all values in between 1 and 12. So I want, in each iteration, I want to check if value equals 7 or not. If value equals 7, I will execute the part from line number 8 and line number 11. But if not, if value of months is not equal to 7, I will just skip this part. Is it more clear now?
Yeah, it's clear, yeah.
Okay, good. So can you do it on your own, or you still need help? And I don't want you to get nervous coding with me, because we are friends at the end, okay? So don't stress yourself. I just want you to feel free coding with me, because this will help you tackle, the weak points you have. Okay, you will get instant feedback about your coding skills. Okay, I will definitely help you to write better code. Okay, so take it easy. Deal?
Deal.
Okay, good. Go ahead and show me how we're gonna do it.
Here.
Yeah, we have nothing to do with 3 and 4. Here in line number 5, yes. In this for loop that contains months, Here inside, we're gonna make some small change to achieve our goal.
Okay. So that'll be the years. This is all years, months.
Yeah.
Weeks,
This
right
line
here.
number 6, will execute normally, will print the value of months starting from 1 till 12, but we want to check each and every time, okay, if value of months equals 7 or not before we execute line from 8 to 11. If the value of months equals to 7, okay, we will execute this part of code. But if it's not equal to 7, we will skip this part. Will not execute it.
Okay. Right. Okay.
It's very clear that we're going to use conditions,
Yeah,
and we've already studied conditions together. So you have 2 ways to achieve this, and it's very easy. It will take only 1 line of code, and we will use conditions.
Okay.
If condition 1, if condition statement, to be more specific. So do you know how to write an if condition? Okay, let me tell you.
Yeah, I know how. Yeah, I can do if. Yeah, I can do if.
Okay, you put on line number 7, put a new line, and then write a new if condition.
Yeah, on 7, right?
Yes, because we want line number 6 to execute normally in each iteration. Okay, so after line number 6, we'll put our condition.
Okay, now that'll be 7, I think.
Now show me how we're gonna write an if condition. And pay attention to code formatting. Okay, I want this if condition to align with system.out.print with the other for loop. Okay, I want it to align with the line above and the line below. Okay.
Yeah.
Maintain the alignment.
What's that?
Yes. This space on the left, leave it blank, please. And make the if keyword to align with system and 4 on line number 6 and line number 8 to make your code readable, so you will not get confused. Listen to me.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so that'll be on this side.
Yeah.
This 8.
On the same, align with system and 4. Like I wanted.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This one right here.
Not here. On the same line on line number 7, but pay attention to the space on the left. I want the space on the left to be equal on line number 6, on line number 7 and 8, and so on. Okay. So all this code on the same level. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Move to right, move a little bit to right until you reach the S
Oh yeah, makes
letter.
sense.
Yes, exactly. Here in this position, you start typing if keyword.
Okay. All right.
Okay. If, and we have 2 brackets here inside, we're gonna put our condition, and outside we have the if condition body. Okay, that consists of 2 curly brackets, opening and closing. So get out of these 2 brackets and put the 2 curly brackets before we forget. Only 1 opening bracket, and then go to new line. 1. Oh, take it easy. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Right arrow. Right arrow.
Right what?
Arrow.
Arrow.
Yes. Press arrow. No. Don't write arrow, but press arrow on your keyboard. Right arrow on your keyboard.
Arrow. Which one's arrow?
Arrow.
Mm.
Okay, just press outside these two brackets. No, not like this.
Okay. Let's see. Hold on.
If you want
The
to,
arrow.
okay, just move outside these two brackets. Do you know how?
Move outside the brackets.
Yes, I want this cursor. No, I want this cursor.
Mhm.
Instead of being in between the two brackets, I want it outside on the right side. Do you know how to do it? Just press on the right arrow on the keyboard, or you can
Yeah.
press the mouse cursor here outside the two brackets. Yes, exactly.
Oh,
Yeah. No,
okay.
no. Left click, not right click. Left click.
Oh, yeah.
Left click outside the brackets. Outside, not yes, here. Exactly. Yes, exactly. Here. Just put an opening curly bracket.
Opening curly bracket.
Yeah.
Opening curly bracket. Opening. Oh, yeah. These. You want a body?
What happened?
Here. Hold on.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. You know now the trick of to undo a change that you did. Very good. Now, okay, just click one more time using the mouse. Left click. Also. Yeah.
All right.
Left click. Yeah.
Yeah. Left mouse click.
Yes. No. Yeah. Okay. Good. Put now an opening curly bracket.
Okay. Opening curly bracket.
Take your time to find it on your keyboard.
Curly bracket.
Yes, exactly. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, and a closing curly bracket is created for you. Okay. Here in between, we will just cut and paste, okay, the codes that we want to execute only if the condition is true. So where is our code that we're gonna put here inside this if body?
Code. The code is up there. So
Down here, the code for weeks and days, the one that we want to execute only if the condition inside this if is true, we will put it here inside the if body. And when I say if body, okay, the body of a condition or a body of loop or whatever, okay, I mean the space in between the opening and closing curly bracket. Okay. I want you to get familiar with all these expressions. Okay. Now I'm telling you we need to put this code in the condition body. Body means the space, okay, or the block of code in between the opening and closing curly bracket of the if condition. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, do it, please.
Condition. So basically, if weeks. Okay.
Yeah. So the code down here we need to cut and paste in the if condition body.
Okay.
What you do is totally wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, because we need to cut the whole code here Okay, don't take parts and leave other parts. This will make a syntax error. Okay, just cut, okay, the whole body of the for loop for weeks, okay, and put it inside the if condition.
That's including the if condition.
As you can see here, it's highlighted the opening and closing brackets for the for loop, for the weeks for loop, as you can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all this should be put inside the if condition.
Okay,
from line number 10 to line number 15.
But not copy and paste.
Yeah, days will move like the same. Like all of it is already included inside the weeks for loop. So don't worry too much about the days for loop. Just cut the weeks for loop from line number 10 to line number 15. You know how to do cut and paste?
Cut and paste, I don't remember.
You can highlight, you highlight the codes that you want to cut, okay? Highlight all the codes that you want to cut, and after it gets highlighted, right-click on mouse and select cut. Also, you have a shortcut. No, don't do this. Don't do this, because you are not doing it right. You just listen to me first.
Okay.
There is a shortcut on your keyboard to cut code. You can press Control X.
Control X.
Okay, Control X. Yes, you are using Windows, so this will make you cut a piece of code. Now I want you to highlight the code from line number 10 to line number 15. Always pay attention to these curly brackets, because if you do it wrong, it will make a compile time error.
Okay.
It will make a problem for yourself and you will struggle to solve it. So to avoid making issues, just focus. Yes, exactly. Great. Good job. Now I want you to cut this code, and as you can see, we have here 2 opening curly brackets and 2 closing curly brackets in the highlighted area, right? Like here on line number 10, we have at the end, we have an opening curly bracket, right?
That's right, yeah.
Again, on line number 12, we have an opening curly bracket, right? And on line number 14 and 15 in a row, we have 2 closing curly brackets, correct?
Correct, yeah.
If we make a mess with these brackets, the whole program will break, okay? Focus, please focus on this issue, okay? Now, Now I want you to cut this code and paste it inside the if condition. And when I say inside the if condition, or when I say in the if condition body, okay, I mean the space between the 2 curly brackets of the if condition. Can you do it? Now, yes, cut this code and paste it in the condition body.
Copy paste?
Cut, not copy. Yes, because we want to remove it from this original. Yeah, not here. On line number 8, for example. Not here also. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. This part of this space is called the condition body. Line number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of this is a condition body. Even line number 13 is a condition body. Okay?
Okay.
Do you know in which line is the closing bracket of the if condition?
The closing bracket.
On which line is the closing bracket for the if condition? Do you know?
Yep.
Yeah,
It's right here.
No.
No. This one right here. That one right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you are getting used to it now. It's on line number 14. Okay, very good. So now all code in between these two highlighted brackets will get executed only if the condition inside the if statement is true. So now it's our time to write the condition. Do you know how to write the condition? To make this code get executed only if months equal 7?
Yep. If.
Don't stress yourself. Take your time.
Okay.
We need to check the value of months, okay, if it's equal to 7 or not. So you show me how to do it.
Okay. If. All right. Check to get the if weeks. If days.
No, don't worry about weeks. We're talking about months.
Okay, yeah, months.
We want to check the value of months. Yes. We want to check if months equals to 7 or not. Yeah, correct.
7, okay.
Yeah. Why you are not sure? No, don't put semicolon. Because here inside if condition we don't use semicolon. We use semicolon in statements like print statement declaring variables.
Okay. So then
so now we are done. Look how easy it is.
Oh, it's pretty easy.
So yeah, yeah, we just check if months equals to 7, we're gonna execute this code. If it's not equal to 7, we'll just skip it. Look how easy it is. Now can we achieve the same using continue keyword?
Yep, we can. Yeah.
You know how?
Yep.
Okay, you show me.
All right. We want to do another one down here, right?
Listen. No, before we try to execute with continue keyword, I want you to like print a statement, okay? If months is not equal to 7, tell me, print a statement telling the user that, hey, this is not the right month.
Okay, this is not the right month.
Yeah, if month is not equal to 7. Like here we check if months equal 7, we'll do something, but else if
else
months is not equal to 7, we need to do something else, which is print a statement telling the user, hey, this is not the right month. How we're gonna do this? You're trying to do it right, but in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing it right, but in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Pay attention to brackets, please. Again, you remember line number 14?
Hold on. Oh, wow, it's way down here.
It's now 15. Okay, good. No, yeah. Not else if, else. Only else is enough.
Else if. Okay, so yeah, month. It's not.
Yeah. But you forgot something important.
Mm-hmm.
To make opening and closing bracket for the
Oh,
else.
yeah.
Yeah, still gonna work, but I want you to get used dealing with brackets. So you have an error. Why?
Error.
Why? Because no, because you are making a mistake. I told you pay attention to brackets. And I told you one more advice, not to write two separate code like this on the same line. Like
Oh, yeah.
I told you an advice to make a separation like this. Because once you hit a new line, the closing bracket will be added for you. But if you stay on the same line, the IDE will not create a closing bracket for you. So this will cause a problem. Okay? Okay. So now we will print months not equal to 7. Do you know what is the output of this?
What's that?
Do you know what is the output of line number 16?
The output of 16 will be if
It will print true because you are trying to print a condition. Run.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay.
Yeah, just run to figure out what will happen. Look, true. I don't want true, I want to print a statement. Like, for example, it's printing this number is 4 months, something, okay? Now I want to print, hey, this is not the correct month.
Okay, that's not the correct month. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's easy. It's easy to do. So let's just do the
No. Oh, okay.
so basically, what's that?
Don't write code on this line.
Oh yeah. Basically month. Oops.
You have to print. So you should use system.out.print. What we want to print, hey, this is not the right month. No. Don't put, yes, exactly. Don't put opening, closing brackets for system.out.print. This statement doesn't have body. We just use it and then we put a semicolon. So we want to print, hey, this is not the right month. So how we're gonna do that? Just scroll up. Okay, I will give you a hint. Scroll up. Okay, look. Here we print this number is for year. And line number 6 we print this number is 4 months. Okay, we want to do the same right now. But instead of saying this number is for year or this number is for months, We will say, hey, this is not the correct month. Exactly the same, but the words are different.
Oh, I
Now
see.
you, yeah, now you do it, please.
So it's not a for loop. We're not doing a for loop. Okay,
Yeah.
so plus year. Okay. This.
So
Oh yeah. This.
it's
Oh,
very simple. We will just print a statement like this. It's the same as this, only the words are different. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Very good. Correct. Now uh, we made our goal. Okay. We have one more way to achieve the same goal. Okay, using continue keyword. And you told me you can do it. So now can you show me how we're gonna make a change in code, okay, to achieve the same but using continue?
hmm.
Mm.
So the same thing.
Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah, the same thing, the same output. Okay, if you want to
Wait for a week.
run,
For a week.
yeah,
Right?
if you want to run the program one more time to check again the output, okay, and make sure we'll have the same output, okay, in our next try.
The month is not equal to 712. Okay.
We want to print weeks and days only if months equal to 7, but we want to do it instead of like cut and paste the code, we want to use the continue keyword.
Oh yeah. To continue.
Mhm.
Um.
You remember the effect of continue keyword in code, right?
Yeah, I remember continue. Yeah. Ah, all right. We're gonna do another else. We're doing another else.
Not inside else.
Uh, yeah.
Like you tell me the right. It's, we cannot have two else for the same condition. Okay,
Else if.
and not else if, because else if uh, will be coming before else. Else should be coming at last.
Hmm. If. No, if maybe. No.
I don't want you to guess. I want you to restore all your knowledge, okay,
Mhm.
to tell me how we're gonna do it.
Or,
Yeah, because you should like make sure you understand it well, what's happening.
what else? Else. It's a for loop, maybe.
Not for loop. We still need a condition, like we're gonna use if condition. And we'll use continue keyword inside the condition body, okay, to check if we're gonna continue executing in the same iteration or we're gonna skip this iteration and move to next.
Okay.
Because that's the effect of continue keyword, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna write if condition, okay, and inside the if body we'll put continue keyword, but what about the condition?
If condition.
And where we're gonna put this condition?
Right here. We'll put it right here then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think right here is good.
Okay, go ahead.
Month. For month, days. Month, days. For loop. If.
Take it easy, focus, okay. And it's okay if you make a mistake. Don't be shy of making mistakes. We all make mistakes.
That would be
Just try to arrange some simple steps to achieve your goal.